play over here. Okay? I will ask question. Okay? Now I will give you one small story. Okay, there was one village, and in that village all farmers were there. It was an agricultural village, and people were very poor, and some were very rich. Those who were landowner and owner, they were very rich. And one landowner was having beautiful daughter. His daughter was very pretty, very beautiful she used to do. And all the boys used to say, who will get married to her? Whether will I be lucky one that person to get married to her? But her father was a very strict person, and he was very disciplined. He used to be very perfect in everything. So many proposals used to come for her to get married. So his daughter got fed up, and she says to her father that, Daddy, I am tired. Everybody is saying you look pretty, you look beautiful. Everybody is looking with big eyes. So I don't feel like going anywhere. Then her father says, okay, let me do something. Then he announced in the village that I want to keep one race for one game, or whatever you all think. All of you come to the place where we usually meet. They have one ground. There they used to meet for any events, whether it is they have village meeting, whether they have any festival, they used to gather on their ground. When all came, he said, all those young boys wish to marry my daughter, come forward. And he said, I tell you all one thing to do. If you all want to get married with my daughter, you are allowed to win the race. And the race is, or the game is, I will leave one cow from the gate of front side of the ground. And the other side, the cow will go out. So as the cow comes, you are allowed to catch the tail of a cow. So all boys says, okay, what a big deal, no? We will manage. So there were 6 to 7 boys. So they all stood here and there. And the father of the girl said, leave the cow. Then when first cow came, that cow was so fat and horns were so big and all. So all the boys got scared. And they said, let it be. We cannot help it ourselves because that cow is so huge. So they just left that cow. And the father has said that he will give 3 chances. Then that father asked, why didn't you all do anything? Then they said, we are scared. We cannot manage. Then he said, okay, I'll give you a second chance. Second time one cow came that was not so fat but very elegant and angry like, no? The cow was running here and there. Yes. So they again got scared and they are saying, how can we do this? If that cow comes on us, we will die. And then they said, let it be. Let that cow go. Our life is important, let that cow stay. Then again third time the father sent one more cow, and that cow was very ugly and very thin, and she was not having life in her. And all thought, this chance is better. So we will jump on it and catch the tail. So all were very ready, like waiting who can jump first. And the cow comes very slow and all. And they tried to jump and catch the tail of a cow. But there was no tail for the cow. So how many opportunities they left before? 2 opportunities. So in our life also many opportunities come. Okay, those 2 cows were arrogant, huge, but they could try. Anything they could do, and they could use their mind and do something. They could take a cloth, keep it in front, they could have a unity in there and do. But they did not grab the opportunity. So in your life also, through Sunday school classes, many opportunities you all will get. But if you all remain behind, nothing you will gain. Like today, if all of you have participated in all the activities, you all will have learned the confidence. This opportunity was for you all to gain your confidence beginning of the academic year of the Sunday school catechism. Okay? So remember in life, that chances comes once. If we let them go, that chance or that opportunity never comes. So we should not remain for second chance. But what the first chance comes, We should do it in our life, something which help us, help our friend and help our parents also. Okay? Good morning.
Thank you, Sister Devi.